Hello guys, welcome back to Affiliate Offers. On today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 websites that you can make $90 per day or even $600 per week just by texting at the comfort of your home. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive into this video. And these sites, you can use them as a UHRS alternative. Okay, for those of us who are finding it difficult to do jobs on UHRS nowadays. Okay, so the first site we are going to check is called chatoperatorjobs.com. Okay, this one, chatoperator.com. And on this site, they are looking for open-minded home admins who will answer typed messages for their clients on their website. Okay, so on this platform, they pay 13 cents to 19 cents for every message you'll be sending. Okay, so in other words, every day, if you can send roughly 500 messages every day, that is if you can send 250 per daytime and 250 at night, then that can accumulate to like $95 per day. And I'm very sure you are capable of sending 500 messages every day. So getting that $95 is very possible, because if you can multiply that by 19 cents, then that $95 or $90 is very possible. Okay, and if you can multiply that by 7 days, then the $600 a week, you can achieve it. So they pay weekly through PayPal, and the requirement for you to work on this website is that you need to be open-minded. That's number one. You also need to have good grammar and fluent in English, and obviously you need to have a PayPal account. Now the only drawback here is that they are looking for people who are 23 years and above. So for those who are below that, they don't require you in this website, but you can just try your luck. Okay, you can register using another person details. Now the second website that we are going to look at is called Texting Factory, this one. And on this website here, you can see they are saying that an average operator can earn averagely 300 USD every week, so $300 every week. So what they are looking for, what you will be doing is you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy based network. You'll be answering casual messages on a fantasy based network, and you can see here they're saying that an average operator earns around 300 to 400 USD every week, and this can also be a lot more if you are willing to go an extra mile. So the more time you put into this website, the more you'll be earning. So it's very possible for you to get that $600 a week if you put in more time. And another thing they are saying, they are offering bonuses for operators who write lots of messages. So the more messages you will be sending, the more cash you will be getting. Okay, and the best thing about this site is that they offer training on how to work on their platform. So in case you don't have any skills in chat or chatting with or sending any messages, don't worry about that. They will train you on how to do it. Okay, they also pay weekly through PayPal, and the only thing they require is that you be 18 years of age, okay, or you be 18 and above for you to work on this platform. Okay, and another thing, you need to have a reliable internet connection. These are obvious. You need to have a PC or phone. You need to have a quiet place to work, and you need to be fluent in English and also grammar. So the next website we are going to look at is text 121 chat, this one. And on this site they are also looking for open-minded operators who enjoy providing premium rates, SMS text, and specialized services to their clients. Now the specialized services, they will clarify that very well after joining the platform. And another thing, they offer training to the newbies in their platform. So in case you don't have any skills, don't worry about that. They'll train you on how to work on this platform. And the only drawback for this website is that they right now they are accepting application from US, USA, UK, and Australia. Okay, those 4 countries. So in case you're in these countries, you can go ahead and apply. Okay, now the next 2 websites are majorly for our ladies, and the first one is called Flirtbox, this one. So just from the name, this is a website for flirting, and what they are saying here is that they are looking for motivated ladies or women who enjoy chatting or flirting and are ready to make money by doing the same. Now just from looking at this site, you can see up here they're saying, ever wish you could get paid to chat? For me, I can say yes. So they're asking some questions here. Do you have an engaging personality and love to talk with the new and interesting people? Do you love to spend time on social networking and online community sites? Do you desire to earn a great income through a fun and easy job right from the comfort of your home? If you answer yes to the questions above, then we got the job for you. So for those of us, or for those ladies who love to flirt or to chat, then I think this is the website for you, because it will be best if you can chat with someone and you get paid by doing the same, instead of just chatting and wasting time with someone else somewhere. So they also pay after 2 weeks through PayPal. So the payment in this website is after 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks you get paid from 1st to 15th. They send the payment, and from 16th to 30th they also send another payment. So after every 2 weeks, the only requirement here is that you need to be at least 18 years of age. You need to be fluent in English. You need to be you need to have good communication skills, and you need to possess an unbeaten engaging personality. Okay, so those are the things that are required for you to join this platform. The fifth and final site as today is called Chatrecruit.com, this one. And on this site, this now it combines everything that we've talked about in this video, from flirting to cam girls to sending web videos. So like you can see from down here, they're saying webcam, chat jobs, adult chat line jobs. So join our top cam girls making big money from home. So if you can do that, then this site is for you. You can just join them. Then we have another one here, adult chat line job. So if you want to receive flirty call conversations, then you can also join using this platform. Okay, so the links to these 5 platforms will be in the description below. So if you are interested to join any of these sites, just feel free to join them. So guys, these are the top 5 websites that you can make over $90 per day, or even $600 per week, just by texting or flirting at the comfort of your home. So let me know the site you are going to try, or the site you've tried and worked for you, in the comment section below. Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with any friend who might need it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.